Hi, welcome back. My name is Simon, and this is Art of the Goal. This video is going to be different from what I usually do. I might make this a series, I might not. But anyways, this video is going to be on a topic, and that topic is anger. Now, a lot of you probably already know the definition of anger, but it's basically just a feeling of hostility towards something, someone, or just in general. Now, it might not seem like it, but anger is a very complex topic. It's a very complex feeling, and you can feel it in a lot of different ways. Now, the way I see it is there's two types of anger. There's good anger and there's bad anger. Well, technically it's the same feeling, it's anger, but you're experiencing them in different ways. First one we're going to talk about is bad anger. So, bad anger is when you let it control you and your actions and what you do. So, if you're feeling like mad and you like lash out at someone, like you start an argument with them, or like you resort to violence and like punch something, that's the bad anger. That's when you can't control it and when it's controlling you. So let me give an example. Let's say I'm trying to learn a skill on high bar. I don't like high bar. It's my worst event. But let's say I'm trying to learn a skill on high bar. And I keep falling, I keep trying, I keep falling, I keep trying, I keep falling, and I get mad, I punch the pit, I go in the bathroom and like cry. That's the bad anger. That's when it's controlling me and my actions. Now we're going to talk about the good anger. So what the good anger is, it's basically the same thing as the bad anger, but it's focused. You're honing it in on something that you want to get. So you're controlling it, but it's like a battery of motivation that you can use. Now, let's give an example of this one. Let's say I'm trying to learn the same skill on high bar. I keep trying, keep failing, I keep trying, I keep failing, I keep trying, I keep failing. I'm getting mad, but I'm using that anger as fuel to go up and do more turns so I can get it. And this feeling of the good anger can be related to understanding, the last element of success that I talked about. Because if you're staying in the game because you know things take time, you're automatically going to learn how to use that anger as fuel, unlike someone who is discontent with how fast they're learning and is letting the anger take control of them. And if you do it for long enough, it can feel good. It can feel like satisfying. I know that sounds weird, but it's true. It feels like you're actually taking your anger out on something, because you are. You're taking it out on trying to get what you want to get. So now that I explained it to you, it's time for you guys to choose which kind of anger you're going to feel. Because you have places to be, things to do, goals to achieve. So I'll leave you with this. Anger is like gasoline. If you spray it around and someone lights a match, you've got an inferno. But if we can put our anger inside an engine, it can drive us forward. So yeah, that was anger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you stay tuned for the next one. And if you're frustrated with something, get mad at it.